Hey guys, I'm Elliot. This is Everything Elliot, and you can see behind me there, I'm getting my well cleaned out. If you've seen my previous video about getting the town water and putting it in my well, we are solving that issue today. My well is getting hydro-fracked. Basically, they're just gonna pump that thing full of water pressure and push all that sediment in the veins back out into the earth. I'm told that's how it works. They're in the middle of it now. And we're going to give you a play-by-play of how it works, what happens, and what we started with as far as water recovery rate to what we're going to end up with. They have a simple cable rig that's on the back of an F350, and it seems to be doing the job just fine. Now, there is no drilling involved. We're just cleaning. So some brushes, some water, some acid, and just some good old-fashioned elbow grease. So I'm using Wiley's Well Drilling. They are based out of Western New York, but they do travel fairly far, I'm told, because there's really not that many well drilling companies in the area. So if this is something you guys are interested in, stick around. It's going to be a good one. So what they're doing right now is just pulling the pump hose out, and they got a special tool there because it's just a press fit. So there you go, O-ring unseated, and just gonna pull it out with the rig. You ready to be YouTube famous?
Sure.
So that pump just locks in there with an O-ring, huh?
Yeah, it's a slip coupler. So this part on ours has a male adapter with a female adapter hooking into your poly.
Okay.
And then I'll slide right in that slip coupler that feeds it to your house.
Okay.
But yes, there is an O-ring inside of it.
So you're gonna suck the well dry, essentially?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna load this up, put some sanitizer in it.
Yep.
And that's gonna circulate everything, break everything up in the pump, anything on the sides. And then we'll end up pulling this out, clean it up, check the wire, check the poly, see how the pump's looking, and then we'll send down our scrubber, which has bristles on it. It'll go up and down, clean everything off the side of the casing. And then we got a baler on that big truck there that drops all the way down to the bottom, sucks all that junk up. We pull it up, we got a 55-gallon drum, we'll drop it in, and then we'll be able to keep seeing what we're pulling up out of it.
Okay. You gotta bail all the water out with that thing?
Pretty fast.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. How many gallons does that hold, the baler?
I think that's 13. But if you have a bigger one that we would use, with that 6-inch sleeve, we gotta use a smaller one.
Oh.
The nice thing with that too is when that fin compresses on the end, it'll make a vacuum and it'll suck all the shit out of it too.
chocolate milk.
Here's some time it, see what it's making now, and then once we frack it and everything, we can check, just make sure
we got somewhere with it.
Yep.
So I assume that's the plug you put in?
Yep. And then that packer right there will pump it up about 200 times each time.
Need a pneumatic one.
Yeah, they have them.
Yeah.
But yeah, that will spread that rubber right out against the side of the rocker, the casing. I will be able to put 3,000 psi of water to go down in there to get into them veins.
So the jet just hooks right onto the top of that and then shoots it out the bottom there?
Yep, that's what's on our trailers, that frack pump.
So what PSI in the plug are you looking for to know that it's...
This one we're going to put up to 6,000.
PSI?
Yep.
Holy shit. So I imagine when you let this pressure go, it's going to send water pretty far into the fucking woods, huh?
But we don't want it to.
No?
There's no pressure here. That means we broke stuff up.
Oh, okay.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah.
Usually if you open this up and you're done fracking, you got a stream out of it. You might have broke some stuff
Right,
up,
right, gotcha. Okay, yeah. I thought it would be the opposite, right? Yeah.
Oh, I love the screwdriver to get it started.
Yep. What's so good about this thing?
Huh? You'll be back in business in no time.
Yeah, I see something stupid.
Or you can save that as a souvenir.
Sweet.
I'll put it as close to the edge as we can
Yeah,
get.
that's what. I mean, it's really never ran in an idle anyways.
Fire it up.
Yeah. definitely went somewhere.
That's just water flowing back that you pushed out? Yep. What's that, chlorinated water? Why is it white?
Because that's the
Rock fragments and
Oh.
broke up from fracking.
that's a good thing if it's dirty. It means we loosen shit up.
That's what I like to hear.
You end up dropping your pump down in there, hanging it over the side, pumping it out with our water till it clears.
Yep.
Get turned back onto the house.
Ready?
Yep.
How many on?
No.
Minute.
Yeah, couple gallon a minute.
2 gallons a minute.
Pretty happy with that.
So how do you determine, like, say I need a new well. This is a new build and I need a well here. How do you determine what size it's going to be?
While you're drilling, if it makes more than 3, 4, or 5 gallons a minute, you'll do 6 inch. If it's only making
So you don't really know until you start drilling?
right.
To an extent, I mean, we have enough records now where we can
Like down the
kind
road,
of
if
predetermine.
everybody on your road's got 12-inch wells or something,
Yeah.
odds are
So the well is cleaned out. It, I don't know, we went from a 1/4 gallon a minute recovery rate to about 2 gallons a minute recovery rate. The guys that were here, they drill in the area and said that's about normal for the area. I think he told me that's about, what did he say? I think he said 140 gallon storage in the well, being a 12-inch well. It might not be right. I might not be remembering correctly, but if I remember correctly, 140 gallons. So things went well. Pretty happy. I mean, going from a quarter gallon a minute to 2 gallons a minute, that's quite the difference. So hope you guys enjoyed. Do me a favor, hit that like button down below, hit that subscribe button, do all those things that every other channel tells you to do. But I guess if they tell you, I'll tell you too. Thanks, and have a great day.